Ever heard of the barking dog murder? It's a wild story. In the 1980s, a man's obsession with his dog turned deadly. This case shocked the community and left many questions. The victim was found in a shocking scene, raising eyebrows. The investigation revealed a twisted obsession with the dog. Witnesses reported strange behavior from the suspect. Surprisingly, the dog became a key witness in the case. The dog's reactions helped piece together the timeline. The trial revealed the depths of the murderer's obsession. Ultimately, justice was served, but at a heavy cost. This bizarre case reminds us how obsession can lead to tragedy. What do you think? Could a dog really be a witness? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more stories.